At Buehler Companies, we understand the importance of seamless military moves. With our impressive credentials, decades of experience, and top-notch equipment, we ensure every move is worry-free and stress-free. Our Colorado Springs location boasts spacious and secure facilities, meticulously maintained to ensure the utmost cleanliness and safety for all of our customers' belongings. Our leadership team is on a journey of innovation and improvement. We have increased the government bill of landing count by an astonishing 451% over just 6 months, showcasing our capacity to take on more business. Our packing capacity has increased by an impressive 41%. To meet the increased demand, we've grown our team by 27%, ensuring that every move is handled with care and expertise. When it comes to moving our nation's heroes, you can rely on Buehler.